how to solve problems and contests in leetcode. Leetcode, it's a website for graduates and for students who are specialized or professional in programming, software programming using Python, C++, JavaScript, and so on. This leetcode is for contests. Actually, it's weekly give allow a contest weekly for all graduates around the world for helping them to work remotely in programming and designing websites and design AI models. It's like Code Forces and it's like GitHub. It's include all your history of the contests and the problems you solved in every contest you join. So it's like online CV for you, helping you to present your CV for universities or online companies or international and multinational countries in technology and computer science and computer programming, in web designing, in web developing, in developing AI programs or models. That's for me to know how to use this. So this is the platform of the leetcode, and here you have can explore all the things around this website, and another menu for problems and another one for contests as we watch. So it takes time because there is load on the internet. So these problems we was in it, and here we have contest for contest, and this for helping you to make an interview with a new worker at your company, or to help companies to interview you if you are asking or seeking work, online work. So this is online interviews, and here we have the history of your problems you solved. You will find here. So this is a problems, uh, problem sets, and let us see how to use this in solving a problem. So I think this is a new problem. Yes, I had the problems in the file, Excel file. It's different from one platform to another one. Here we have the problems are arranged horizontally in this row. So I will take this this one is not solved. I copy it and put it here. It is called valid parentheses. And so I will show you how to solve this problem. You think in it, given a string S containing just the characters, these characters, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if the three conditions: open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. This is the first condition. The second one, open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Okay. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Okay. So input example, this one is true. This is example one, but this one is not true. Also true, yes, it's true because open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay. So example three, this one is not correct because open by parentheses and closed by brackets. And four is true, nested brackets. So you will think about this. So here we have a function is valid, and down we have the, I start with the inputs. So S1, I will put it here. S1 equals this one. Okay, this is the inputs. S2 equals, we have 4 examples, S3 equals, and S4 equals. So now we have S2, the input of the second one. I will copy this input, Control C here, Control V, and S3, which is false, the output is false here, and here the input of S4. Okay. Okay. And we have this function is included in the class solution. So I have to define a variable for the solution function or the class function. Solution equals solution function. Sorry. And now the output, I have 4 outputs. So I will get print, parentheses for print to solution dot. Here I will take this function invalid, Control C, and self for the solution. So when calling this function, I will remove self. So I will remove this one, and this one is 1. I will copy all this because the input will be S1, S2, S3. So I have 4 outputs, 4 cases, and each case I have different input. Okay. This for the second input. Oh, sorry. I will copy. Control C. This is the output of the third one, of the third input, which is S3, and this one. Now we finished the inputs and the outputs. Now we think about how this will work. So these are the process. Open brackets must be closed by the same type. Okay. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. And then, so how to solve this? I will think about this one and come back and write the solution.